Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine tender, fall-off-the-bone short ribs that practically melt in your mouth. They're surprisingly easy to make right in your oven. This low and slow cooking method transforms a tough cut into an incredibly rich and satisfying dish. It's perfect for a cozy night in, yet elegant enough to impress any guest. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve that restaurant-quality flavor and texture every single time, making weeknight dinners feel special or weekend gatherings truly memorable. First, pat your short ribs completely dry with paper towels, then season them generously with salt and black pepper. Next, heat a little oil in a heavy-bottomed, oven-safe pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear the ribs on all sides until they develop a rich, dark brown crust. This crucial step builds incredible depth of flavor. Remove the ribs, then add chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the pot, sautéing them until they're softened and fragrant, scraping up any delicious brown bits from the bottom. The secret to truly tender short ribs lies in your braising liquid. Deglaze the pot with about 1.5 cups of dry red wine, stirring well to loosen all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes to reduce slightly. Then, pour in 4 cups of good quality beef broth, a tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 bay leaves, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme and rosemary. This aromatic blend will infuse the meat with incredible flavor as it cooks slowly. Now for the magic, oven time. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or about 160 degrees Celsius. Carefully return your seared short ribs to the pot, making sure they are nestled comfortably and mostly submerged in that delicious braising liquid. Place the lid on your pot, ensuring it's sealed tightly, then transfer it to the preheated oven. Let it bake for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the short ribs are absolutely fork tender and practically falling off the bone. Once the ribs are perfectly tender, carefully remove them from the pot and set them aside to rest, loosely tented with foil. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum flavor and tenderness. Next, strain the braising liquid through a fine mesh sieve, pressing on the solids to extract every last drop of flavor. Return the strained liquid to the stovetop and simmer it until it thickens into a rich, luscious sauce. Spoon this incredible sauce over your tender short ribs, perhaps alongside creamy mashed potatoes or polenta, and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.